So a little while ago I made a video about an Xbox 360 controller, in fact about this controller. While it wasn't too bad, I had to buy another controller, and it should be a one-on-one PS4 controller that cost 40 ringgit. Welcome back to channel Tech with Nikthesh, guys. It's your host Nikthesh. So right before I unbox this box, not a comparison with the Xbox 360 controller, so bye. I'll do it in the near future, so make sure you guys are subscribed for it. So let's stop wasting time and let's get right into it. Okay, the box isn't as promising as you guys can see. It's not drop kick level as the Aula S12 mouse, but it's not as promising as I thought it would be. So unboxing is quite simple, and let's see at the accessories. Well, the accessories aren't much. We get a USB-A to micro USB cable and a user manual, and yep, they didn't mention how to connect with a PC, but I did made a video about it, how to connect to a PC via DS4 Windows software, and it will be uploading at same time as this controller review, so link in the description down below. So first impression is the best impression, and the first impression is it's fine. There's nothing really I can say. Oh, the trigger buttons are really good. Really good means it's comfortable enough to rest your whole finger up here, and I don't feel much grip on the I don't feel much grip on it. Actually, it's quite slippery, and the joysticks is not as grippy as I thought it would be. And the buttons and all the stuff, the D-pad and all, it feels fine. It's not as fine, and the touchpad feels pretty smooth, and there are some clicks inside it too. And in the bottom right here, we do have a 3.5mm headphone jack. Don't know if it's usable with the PC or stuff, but we'll check it out soon, and I think we should go to the desk and benchmark it while playing games. So let's jump right in. So before I connect this controller to a PC, there are some things that I need to tell you about. Before using this controller, you guys should start for like a couple minutes or so, like maybe 7 to 8 minutes. And for the pairing process, it's quite an easy one. You just need to click the share button first around like 30 seconds. Then you should long press the PlayStation button along with the share button, and wait a while, and you guys can see here it's flashing rapidly. It means it's on pairing mode. So let's pair it to the PC and let's see how does it perform on gaming. Okay guys, now it's screen recording it. As you guys can see, we're playing F1 2014 for the benchmark for this controller. It's quite a weird one to cover the benchmark. And by this name, we can test the joysticks as well as the vibration motors on this entire PS4 controller. The original controller vibration motors are fantastic. One of the best have I used actually. So we'll need to test the vibration controller via this game, and let's test it actually, shall we? Okay, I am using DS4 Windows to run this controller as an Xbox controller. What it does is actually the software will emulate the PS4 controller as an Xbox 360 controller. So we can use it seamlessly on any games without any compatibility issues. So what we're gonna do is, the vibration motors is quite subtle actually, and the joystick doesn't feel as bad as I thought it would be. Now we're taking second place here. It's not as bad as I thought it would be, the vibration controller, but it's not as premium as the original PS4 controller, but still it's fine enough. And the trigger button, it feels fantastic. It feels fantastic actually. Let me just pick up the corner of my own teammate, just continue. Okay. As you guys can see, the braking system is quite an easy one on this controller, and I'm playing on easier and medium, I guess. I don't know why this is quite an easy one. Look at it. The brake system, the braking, the left trigger button. It feels quite nice. So what shall we do is I want to go to the desk and I give my final thoughts on this controller and talk about some of the caveats of this controller. So what can I say? It's quite a good one. I like the touchpad that I can use as a mouse actually. Pretty sick by the software actually, and we can customize the light bar behind the controller. Like we can do breathing or change any color you want by the software, and the software video will be in the link in the description, so don't forget to check it out if you buy one of these things. And some things are really good but some aren't. First, the vibration. While playing F1 2014, the vibration wasn't as strong, but let me show you how strong it is if it's fully rumbling actually. That was a heavy one actually. So as you see, the vibration on the heavy side is not great. Let's test the light vibration motors. Now this one is controllable, but still it's a bit heavy than I thought it would be. The software on this thing is fantastic, as I told you, and the DS4 Windows application, just download it. And how about the battery life? The battery life, it's fine actually. I guess you need to charge it 2 or 3 days once, depends on your gaming hours. So overall, you can't get a better than this wireless controller, and that's been it guys. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and tell me in the comments down below what video should I put next. And if you're new to the channel guys, don't forget to subscribe for more, and I see you guys in the next one guys. Talk to you guys later and hope you guys enjoy.